Hello, my dear students. In this lecture, I'll give you an overall introduction about what you're going to learn for the next 20 hours of this entire course on ETABS, right? So, coming to the description part, we know what is ETABS, right? It stands for Extended Three-Dimensional Analysis of a Building System, where we try to do the analysis, where we try to do the design, and then we do the detailing. Detailing is a very separate part. We cannot do the detailing with ETABS. We can either do manual detailing, or you can make use of software like RCDC, right? So coming to the description of this, what I have done, you'll be learning the manual calculation of the beams, the columns, the slabs, and the footings, how it has to be done manually. And also with the help of ETABS, we'll try to verify the answers, what we get manually and what we get in the software. So in the first sections, I've tried to explain all the basic commands that is required for you to learn the ETAP software. Each and everything is covered in a more better way. And also a lot of concept has been covered in the first entire series of lectures, right? We'll try to see how the area of steel has to be understood, what is shear force, what is bending moment, how those results have to be understood, singly reinforced section, doubly reinforced section, torsion, how to release the torsion and all. These things we are going to cover it in the very first part. In the second part, I've taken a live project of a G+2 hostel building, and then right from AutoCAD detailing, how to put the column, how to do the orientation of the column, how to make the beam layout, the column layout, everything we have done there. And then we'll try to model the same thing with the help of a ETAP software. We'll apply the load, and when we apply the load, we'll follow Indian standard 875 part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is for the dead load, and part 2 is for the live load, right? Only two loads we are going to apply in this entire series of lecture. And then we'll try to do the analysis, we'll try to understand the values, and then we'll do the detailing. When I say detailing, for the forces coming, for the reactions what is coming, we'll try to design the footing for that. We'll try to see whether the beams what we are given, the sizes are sufficient or not. We'll try to provide the reinforcement there. Each and everything we have covered in a most detailed way, so that you get an idea, so that the main intention of this course is to relate between the theory concept and the practical concept, and then to verify your answers with the ETABS, right? So this is what we're trying to do in the entire series of the lecture. Along with that, I would try to add a few additional topics, like let me go through that. Yeah, like how to calculate the water tank load on the slabs, how to calculate the sunken load on the slab, and how to model the shear wall, what is shear wall, how to apply the lift load, how to define the earthquake loads according to Indian Standard Code Book, how to apply the wind load, what is mass source, how to assign the diaphragm, and the difference between the membrane, shell thin and shell thin. So these are a bit miscellaneous, so I'll try to add it here, right? So once you're done with the course, I think you'll be at least in a position to understand the fundamentals of civil engineering and structural engineering, and you'll have a very good command over the ETAP software. Other than that, we have some advanced, like there is a lot of analysis to be done on the earthquake point of view, like static analysis, we have response spectrum, we have time history analysis, and there are a lot of things, but those things will not cover that in this course, because it will take a long time. So it's always better you start with the fundamentals, and as and when we grow up, we'll try to understand those things, right? I wish you a wonderful journey from here onwards. Try to learn. If you have any doubts, you can message in the messaging option. I'll be there to answer your questions, right? So looking for a active participation in the course. Try to finish the course, try to gain knowledge, right? So we'll see you in the course. Thank you.